Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us discuss our next part of the chapter Knowing Our Numbers. Here in this section we shall solve some examples. So before solving examples, you have to remember some things. When we estimate any sum or difference of numbers, we should have an idea of why we need to round off and therefore the place to which we would round off. Based on this idea, now let us solve some examples. Example 5 of your textbook. Estimate 5290 plus 17,986. So solution is like this. Here both the numbers are in thousands. 5290 and 17,986. So method 1, you find 17,986 is greater than 5,290. So first round off the given numbers to thousands. So 17,986 is rounds off to 18,000. Then plus 5,290 is rounds off to 5,000. So here we will add. So estimated sum is 23,000. So let us discuss the another method to solve this question. Method 2. First you add both the numbers, then estimate. So 5,290 plus 17,986 is equal to 23,276. Now the sum is rounds off to 1000, that is 23,000. Next, example 6. Estimate 5,673 minus 436. So solution is like this. Here one number is in thousands and other one is in hundreds. Five 5,673 can rounds off to 1000, that is 6,000. Whereas 436 rounds off to 1000, that is 0. So as their difference is 6,000, we cannot round off to next 1000 because it is not reasonable. So 5,673 round off to hundreds is 5,700. 436 is rounds off to 100, that is 400. Then difference of 6,000 and 400 is 5,300. This is the answer. Next, estimation of the product. What is the estimate for 19 into 78? It is obvious that the product of both the numbers is less than 2000 because 20 into 100 is 2000. So here 19 is less than 20 and 78 is less than 100. So their product must be less than 2000. If we approximate 19 to nearest tens, we get 20. Then approximate 78 to nearest 10, that is 80. Now 20 into 80 is equal to 1600. So take another example, 63 into 182. Step 1. If we approximate both numbers to the nearest hundreds, that is 63 to 100 and 182 to 200, we get 100 into 200 is equal to 20,000. This often answer is much larger than the actual product. Then step 2. Now to get a more reasonable estimate, let us round off 63 to the nearest 10, that is 60. And round off 182 to the nearest 10, that is 180. We got 60 into 180 is equal to 10,800. It is a good estimate but not quick enough. So let us solve in another method. That is step 3. Next we approximate 63 to 60 and 182 to the nearest 100, that is 200. We get 60 into 200, that is equal to 12,000. Thus, it is still quicker and a better estimation of the product. So, the third step is most right. So, the general rule that we can follow are: round off each factor to its greatest place. Multiply the rounded off factors. So, in the above example, we rounded off 63 to tens as 60 and 182 to hundreds as 200. 63 is approximated to nearest 10, that is 60. And 182 is approximated to the nearest 100, that means 200. We get 60 into 200 is equal to 12,000. This is still quicker and a better estimation of the product. Now estimate 81 into 479. So 479 is rounded off to 500. That means rounding off to nearest 100. And 81 is rounded off to 80. That means rounding off to nearest tens. The estimated product is 500 into 80, that is equal to 40,000. An important use of estimates will be to check answers we obtain. Suppose you have done the multiplication 37 into 1889 but are not sure about your answer. A quick and reasonable estimate of the product will be 40 into 2000, that is 80,000. If your answer is close to 80,000, it is probably right. On the other hand, if it is close to 8,000 or 8 lakh, something is surely wrong in your multiplication. Then you check it. Same general rule may be followed for addition and subtraction of two or more numbers. Thank you.